Hi and welcome to my JavaScript while loop tutorial. I'm going to run it just to show you how this works. It's already on YouTube. Okay, and that's it right there. So I'm going to close that. Now what I want to do is to use a function called continue statement. The continue statement tells the interpreter to immediately start the next iteration of the loop and skip the remaining code. So what we're going to do now is right here, right underneath here, I will enter an if statement. If q, let's say q, let's give it a value, let's go for 6, then we enter our curly braces there. So if q equals this, I would actually like you to skip and just enter a semicolon there, and that is it. So what will happen is when it gets to 6, it's going to skip number 6 and continue with the rest of the codes. So let's run it now, then you guys will see what this continue statement do. So if I come in here, launch it, allow, look at that, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 is gone. Okay, then we have 7 8 and so on up to 12. Okay, well, we can always modify it and just do one or two things with that. So what I will do is, let's come up here and just enter, let me copy all of this right up there. Now I'll just say, let's go for this is how the continue statement works. So let's run it and you guys see what I'm talking about right there. Allow, and that is it. You can see the statement that I entered earlier on. This is how the continue statement works. Okay, you knowing fully well that number 6 is skipped, but if you want, you can always allow your number 6 on board as well, just using just a line of code to make that work. So you as a Java developer can just come in here, copy this and paste that in there. That will let your number 6 back on board, but that's not the whole idea. The whole idea is just to skip one part of the loop. So let's have a look. Let's do that again. I don't think I saved it. I'm gonna save it and let's run it again. All right, like that. There we go. You see a 6 in there, but that is not the whole idea. The idea is just to use the continue statement to skip that very number there. So I'm just going to comment that out. Now you know how it's done. Okay, so I will now continue so that we can end this tutorial. Alright, let's close that off, and here right underneath here, let's enter maybe HR. Let's make the size of the HR. The HR is just an horizontal line. Let's make it maybe 20, and shall we get a color for it? Equals, that's just my color. I don't know what that color is. So close the HR, come here, save it, let's run it again and see what color that might be. Yeah, you can see that's the color up there. Now it's gonna come down here. There we go, that's the color. Alright, so with that, guys, now that you know how the continue itself works, so I'll just call it the end of this program. I suppose you all enjoyed, so you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.